We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel like calling midnight.
Hello guys, so today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my meat pie dough, and these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using unsalted and salted butter. That meaning to say I'm not going to need no salt for my flour. And this is the butter that I'm using. It's a grass-fed organic butter, and I'm going to be using pasture-raised whole milk, about 1.5 cup of milk. And this is my baking soda, cinnamon and vanilla extract. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of each of these. And this is the flour I'm going to be using. If this is not enough, I always have another one for backup. So I'm going to be using these all-purpose flour from King Auto. This is one of my favorite all-purpose flour because of the ingredients in it. My favorite flour that I love to use. And also I also love to add in apple cider vinegar to my meat pie dough. Apple cider vinegar, I will be using about 1/4 cup there in my meat pie dough. So let's just put them together. Okay, so go ahead and pour in my flour just to get accurate measurements. Get started on my wet ingredient. This is my milk. I'll pour in my apple cider vinegar. I will pour in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I forget to mention I have 3 eggs. It's all pasture-raised eggs. So go ahead and mix all my, I have warm milk, so I mix all my wet ingredients together just to make the process very smooth. Alright, so now I have all my wet ingredients, so now I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients. So I'm going to measure out about 7 cups.
I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
I'm gonna go ahead and add more because I have a lot of liquid and more butter. That's 7, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more.
And we trust the stars about to let us know. I'd go, but
We'll stop at 12 cups of flour. Baking soda, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, if you have more cinnamon powder you can always add 1 tablespoon. As you can see, this is more like half tablespoon or maybe 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So if my butter wasn't salted, and I would have go ahead and add in salt, but because my butter is salted, I don't need to add in salt. I'll just go ahead and mix up the dry ingredients before I introduce my butter. That I will just go ahead and add in my melted butter.
going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
just work it in.
I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trace the stars above to light us know?
So I think I'm going to need the other butter because I'm not feeling this butter sensation in here. So it's always good to start little and then you know when to add more.
You'll find me, said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
So I mixed the butter and the flour together and it's like this, which is really good. So I'm going to gradually add in the liquid into here, gradually add it in. I might not even finish the liquid, but we'll see.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different
So I think we won't need all of it. Probably won't need everything. And there you have it.
Empty-handed, you like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the black guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me.
Smell it like that. So I kind of like this dough right now because I'm gonna be leaving it in the refrigerator for a long time, maybe for like 3 to 4 days. So when it's defrosted, it'll make it easy to work with. It can defrost quickly because the dough is soft. Okay, so it'll make it easy to just work with. Let me see what I mean. I like to ferment mine for a long time. Keep it in the refrigerator for days.
I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been thinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
So now just go ahead and just wrap it individual. And then let nature take its course.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, I wonder, would you land? What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, I wonder, would you love me better if I could? I'm not home.
So this will be in the refrigerator. Today is Monday, January the 30th. So when I'm ready to make it, it'll be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So in the next 5 days, I'm going to make the meat pie. So in the meantime, it's gonna be resting in the refrigerator. It's gonna get harder. So because I make the dough so soft, it'll be so easy to work with the dough. So see you guys again.